what I have is an old spice container. It has a shaker top. So I'm just taking the shaker top off, taking some cocoa. And you don't need a lot. I'm going to do this over the cocoa so you can watch it spill it everywhere. Alright. So it's there like that. On the lid. Now I have a shaker top. Here's my cocoa. Please don't fall in. I'm going to weigh down my phone with an onion. Nothing to worry about. Okay. So then I have cocoa here, whipped cream, and sometimes we like smush it a little so you get a better. Okay. Then I have my stencil, and I'm going to. That was the onion weighing down my phone, sorry. I'm gonna lift this up so I can sprinkle this a little better. Come on, buddy. Oops. Alright, so I'm gonna cover all the open parts of the stencil and then gently lift it off. And there you go, there's my TikTok cocoa stencil. Can't wait to see what you make.